Hey guys, so a few days ago I received my new A7R III in the mail. I was really excited to test out the 120p slow motion in 1080p. So I went out shooting yesterday with my fiance to see what kind of B-roll I could get. The in-body image stabilization coupled with the 120p slow motion makes for an extremely smooth shot. I'm coming from the original A7S and A7R models, and the image stabilization and the autofocus are a huge step up from the originals. The autofocus alone is leaps and bounds ahead of the original A7S and A7R. Overall, I'm extremely happy with this camera. I haven't shot anything interesting in 4K yet except for these talking head shots, but I plan to. So yesterday my fiance and we went out and shot a B-roll segment together, and I also threw in some Phantom 4 shots as well at the end. So I'm not going to waste any more of your time. This is shot at 120p, 1080. Enjoy. Alright, thanks everybody. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm new to YouTube, but I plan on creating a lot more content, so please leave a like and subscribe. And let me know if you'd like me to cover anything in the future or your thoughts on the A7R III in the comments section. Thanks a lot.